Tired of the rat race? Want to earn money while you sleep? In this video, we'll show you how to build a passive income stream with minimal investment. Passive income is a way to earn money without active involvement, and it's crucial for achieving financial freedom. Despite popular belief, you don't need a lot of money to start generating passive income. We'll discuss several strategies that require little to no initial investment. Affiliate marketing is a method where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. It works by partnering with companies and promoting their products through unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Successful affiliate marketers often focus on specific niches like health and wellness or tech gadgets. To succeed, choose affiliate programs that align with your interests and promote products that you genuinely believe in. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly. They generate income through these dividend payments, which can be reinvested or taken as cash. It's essential to do thorough research and due diligence before investing in dividend stocks, as not all companies are created equal. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in a variety of dividend stocks can help reduce risk and provide a more stable income stream. You can generate rental income without owning property by leveraging platforms like Airbnb. These short-term rental platforms allow you to rent out a spare room or even your entire home to travelers. Another option is real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which let you invest in real estate without having to buy property directly. REITs offer a way to earn rental income and benefit from real estate investments without the hassle of property management. Online courses and digital products offer a fantastic way to generate passive income. First, let's talk about how to create and sell these types of products. You can start by identifying a niche or area of expertise that you can teach others about. Once you have your topic, you can create your course or digital product using various tools and software available online. Now let's discuss some popular platforms where you can sell your courses or products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad are well known for their ease of use and large customer base. Each of these platforms offers different features and pricing models, so you'll want to choose the one that best fits your needs. Finally, marketing your online courses or products is crucial for success. You can use social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising to reach your target audience. Remember, the key is to provide value and solve a problem for your customers. Freelancing and content creation are another excellent ways to generate passive income. To get started, you can offer your skills and services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for a wide range of services, from writing and graphic design to web development and marketing. For those interested in content creation, platforms like YouTube can be a great option. By creating engaging and informative videos, you can build an audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Automation is a key factor in increasing your efficiency and maximizing your income. You can use tools and software to automate repetitive tasks, such as scheduling social media posts or managing your email list. This will free up more of your time to focus on creating high-quality content and growing your business. To wrap things up, let's recap the key points we've discussed in this video. We've covered various methods for generating passive income, including online courses, digital products, freelancing, and content creation. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities and challenges, but with the right approach, you can achieve financial success. Now, I encourage you to take action and start building your passive income streams today. Remember, the journey may not be easy, but the rewards are well worth the effort. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on achieving your financial goals. Keep pushing forward, and you'll reach new heights. Before we go, here are some additional tips to help you create a more engaging and professional YouTube video. First, use graphics, animations, and stock footage to make your content visually appealing. This will help keep your audience engaged and make your message more memorable. Investing in a good microphone is essential for ensuring high-quality audio. Clear and crisp sound can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your content. Use video editing software to cut out unnecessary parts and improve the pacing of your video. A well-edited video will keep your viewers' attention and make your content more enjoyable to watch. Finally, promote your video on social media and other online platforms. By sharing your content with a wider audience, you can increase your reach and grow your channel. By following these guidelines and incorporating your own unique style, you can create a valuable and informative YouTube video that helps viewers achieve their financial goals.